Hello, this is Maya broadcasting out the UK, and today is another shaving video, and we are continuing with the UK brands, and today I'm featuring 1912 Wickhams Scottish Heather. It is new, oops, and it still has its paper on it, so if I pull that off, this is what it looks like. There we go. All right. Oh, it's very, very, very nice. I like the smell. And I'll put, once again at the back of the video, I'll put all the information on there. So this is a vegetal soap, as it says on the big on the top, and I will be using my Wilkinson brush, new style, which I am soaking here in this water. I'm going to be lathering up in the shave bowl, the bottom half of the shave bowl. I will take my trusty little knife here and take out a little bit of the Wickhams Scottish Heather. Let's see if I can make the blob a little smaller than usual. Okay, and I will be putting that in the bottom of the soap bowl. Let me just seal in the scents of the soap. Just seal it in. So, let me just tidy that up. Get that out the way. So I have here in my soap bowl that little blob. So I will just hold it up again. Okay, here's the size of my thumb, and that is the little bit. Woo, and it's falling. And that is the thickness. And I'm going to smush it down the bottom of the bowl. Smush that down. I'm not using any water for that, I'm just using my fingers, smushing it down. Not using any water. Right. And the razor I'm going to be using today is my Wilkinson Sword Classic, which is a 2-piece. And I'm going to be using First Use Wilkinson Sword Blade. I haven't used this for quite a while, I've remembered. So there you go. Let's load it. In it goes, like that. And screwing down. What I like about this classic is there's no overhang whatsoever. Yes, it is plastic on the top and has here a metal bar handle, which makes it heavy, but that also means it won't oxidize, which is good. And it also means, yes, it's cheaper, but you don't have to throw this away. So it is still sort of a DE razor. Low waste, I wouldn't say no waste because of the plastic, but it will take some doing to break this. So here we go. I have my trusty little syringe, and today I have drawn up 2 teaspoons, which is 10 mils of water. Okay, let's get going. Let me just adjust my mirror here, and I will have to adjust the camera in a minute. I have next to me cold water in the basin. As it turns out, it's pretty hot today. It's turned out to be hot this morning. Well, it's cold, but now it's pleasantly hot, especially if the sun's shining in the windows, if you know what I mean. You know, that super duper heat. Right. So, put my glasses back on, take my brush, squeezing that out, Okay, so there's no residual water in there. Pouring the water away, I won't need that anymore. And I'm now just loading the brush. You see there's no water in here, none whatsoever, no water in the brush. I'm just loading the brush. Let me adjust the camera downwards. I dropped this camera earlier today. I hope it's not going to now play up on me or something like that. I've been having problems with it the last few days anyway. Here we go. Don't give up on me now, camera. Right, so brush is loaded. As you can see, it loads really nice. If you're looking for a ball brush, a natural brush, this is a good alternative. It's cheap. It's not bad. You need some. It's potluck with this one. I'm putting in 2 mils. It's potluck whether you get one that has a lot. This did in the beginning, now it's stopped. Others don't seem to have that problem. Okay, as you can see, this is a beautiful scent and it lathers up really easy. I'm now going to add in the full teaspoon. So I have 5 mils left. This is a full teaspoon, and as you can see with quality soaps, it is hard to drown. The more you work it, the better it will get. And don't forget, I didn't put that much soap in there this time. I tried to scale down because I always underestimate how much lather there will be. So yes, it's wet right now. Just keep working at it. My problem with this little bowl is just one thing: it likes to work its way out of the bowl. The lather likes to work its way out. Just keep working at it. The scent is absolutely beautiful. Oh, hang on. You see what I'm seeing? Something's happened here. It's just dissipated and gone to water. So I'd call that a lather fail. That's not ever happened to me before. So I don't know what's going on there. Let's put some more soap in. What's happened there? So let's put soap in the bottom. Put about the same amount in. What's going on? That has never happened to me before. Okay. Not even as a beginner. Let me squish this bit down. Okay, not adding anything, just start afresh. So obviously you can drown this one. As you can see, that was not so good. Here we go again. That was with 1 teaspoon of water and whatever was left in the brush, but that can't have been much because I squeezed it out. So there you go, lesson learned. With Wickhams you can actually drown it. But the scent is still lovely. There we go, it's coming up. Okay, eat your words, Maya. Don't put in that much water at once. Work your way up into it. Oh, this looks way better. Look at that now. Can you see that? Lots better. Okay. So, here we go. Well, new thing learned. Don't put it in that much. Work your way up, bit by bit. Okay, so this takes a lot less water than some others do. There you go, let's wet the face once more. Okay, adjust the camera. There we go, camera adjusted. Let's have a feels nice. Lovely scent. It's fresh, yet I want to say spicy. It's not really spicy, it's more herby. With a tiny hint of floral. Green. I didn't do the finger test. Let's do the finger test here. So that's really slick and it has protection, but it sort of dissipates, you can see. Now, I don't know, maybe I need a different technique with this soap. Protection is there. So here we go, Wilkinson's sword and Wilkinson's sword. Let me adjust a little bit. Here we go. Let's get my hair out the way again. The scent seems to be bonding very well with the skin. It's releasing more scent and depth. And this razor works really well. You wouldn't think it for such a cheap razor. It does the job really well. So that was the first pass round. Okay, let's wipe this off and my glasses. Is this front or back? I don't know. Here we go. This is feeling really nice. nice shave feel. Okay, let's just look what it looks like. This is what it still looks like. Not dissipating that much, but I was a bit worried. Right, let's have, I've got lather down my front again. Here we go. Let's do a second pass. It has a fresh feel to it, the soap. I should have checked the ingredients, but it has a lovely fresh scent and feels fresh on the skin as well. Okay. Many people say for them the Wilkinson sword blade tastes not too bad either, the soap. Wilkinson sword blade is too mild for them. I get along with it really well. In fact, Gillette, Wilkinson sword, the Shark, the Astra, all Gillettes. The Derby or Derby. I've not had an Astra. If anyone's got an Astra and are willing to maybe exchange one to try, I'd be really happy to. Oops, I nearly cut my lip there. Talking. So that's the second pass. And I think I'll go up close, see if I need any pickups. Last time I missed a little bit. Not that you'd see it because it was mainly fuzz. I don't actually need a third pass, so I'm done. That's BBS. Feeling lovely. Enjoying the scent. I really am enjoying this, so I'm super happy I picked this one up. Let me just wet my face properly, get rid of the residual, although there isn't much. There you go. And I forgot my towel. It's right back here. Okay, let's see. Dry the face off. Feels good, but maybe I'm thinking if you've got dry skin, you'll maybe need a little bit something more. I'm going to put some toner on. Rehydrating toner or balancing toner. It used to be called rehydrating, I've forgotten. Let's see. Sometimes that just brings back the pH from the soap and does the trick. Let's give it a few seconds to dry. Let's see, we speed this up a little bit. Here we go. Right. Yeah, that's all it needed. Most probably the pH for my dry skin is just a little bit unbalanced, but that's nothing to say that the soap is bad. That's not what I want to say at all, because everyone has a different skin type. I'm now just putting some Gentleman's Pride on. Oh, if I can get some out, that would be good. There we go, Gentleman's Pride. And the scent complements this very well. But you know, I've told you many a time my skin is rather dry and it normally sucks up the soap because of the glycerin in it. And it didn't do it this time with this one. There we go. Right, I'm enjoying this. Right, let's have another go at the scent. Let's have another sniff. Okay. Yes, a superb scent, easy to lather. Well, when I say easy to lather, you saw this one, you've got to add the water in little by little. And I most probably did add it too quick, but the lather is still here. It's been stood next to me and it does keep, and it has a superb slickness. If you have super dry skin as I have, then you will need an aftershave balm or a pH balancing something. And let me just check what the ingredients are here, or some of the ingredients. It has cocoa butter in there, jojoba seed oil, avocado, sodium avocado, has kaolin in it. Okay, so white kaolin provides slickness, and then glycerin is in here too. So most probably it's the kaolin, because kaolin provides superb slickness, but if you have dry skin, it can just give you that tiny little bit of an edge. So for those that have mixed skin or oily skin, no worries with this. If you have dry like mine, then just add an aftershave balm or a cream after. And it's wonderful. So there you go. So shave bowl, Wilkinson Salt Classic, the old style plastic, balancing toner, because that's exactly what it does, it balances. And I use this time my Gentleman's Pride aftershave. There you go. So apart from the beginning fail, which is maybe also good to show that it doesn't always go in one go perfectly. So there you go. You see, you can always work your way out with soaps. The worst that can happen is you have to start over, which I didn't do. I just put some more soap in. So either I had too little soap for the amount of water, or I had too much water, full stop, because boar brushes or natural brushes, any which, whether they're badger, boar, mixed horse, whatever, they do keep water a lot more than the synthetic do. So I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe you've learned something, same as I have, and I wish you a wonderful week and see you on Saturday. Bye bye.